how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you're able to click on that link to watch this video. So today I wanted it to be like a little chill video for you all. If you want to sit back, relax, and do your hair while you watch this video, this will be the type of video for you. So this is how my hair is looking after a week of being in that bun. You can really tell like how dry it is. Oh, it just needs some love and attention right now. So every time it goes into the springtime, my hair does get drier faster because of the warm weather. So I really need to make sure that I'm keeping up with the moisture and the hydration in my hair, and I want to make sure that my hair is getting all the nutrients that it really needs. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a pre-poo treatment with you all, and this time around I'm going to be using aloe vera and olive oil. So I actually went ahead and mixed up the aloe vera and the olive oil together. I was very surprised that I received a lot of comments and views on the last pre-poo treatment video that I did for you all about a year and a half ago. I'll link that above right here, so y'all can go ahead and check that out if you haven't watched it yet. But I was showing y'all how I pre-pooed my hair with just olive oil and warm water, and a lot of people say that it worked for their hair, which I was very excited about, because I really wanted these videos to be helpful for you all. So if you'd like to see how this pre-poo works on my hair and to see if it'll work for your hair as well, then please keep on watching. So before we actually get into the application process, I want to give you all a really big warning that when you're using the aloe gel and the olive oil and you're blending it together in a blender, always make sure that you properly strain the aloe gel, because you will have chunks in your hair if you're just doing just one blend and then you apply it straight. So that is what happened to me. So I want to give you all a big warning before you continue watching this video. So I want to give you all a link to a very good video that I found on YouTube by TheLifestyleLuxe. Yeah, that's her name, TheLifestyleLuxe, and she made a homemade aloe vera gel with no chunks. So she'll show you how to properly strain it, and I should have done that myself. And I am experiencing a little bit of flakes, not heavy flakes, but they were heavy earlier. But the flakes are going away, but at the same time you'd rather not have these flakes. So to avoid the mistake that I did, make sure you properly strain your aloe vera gel. If you're mixing it with other oils as well, just make sure you properly strain it before you apply it on your hair, because before I never had this problem. So make sure you don't forget that major step, so that you can avoid the flakes that you can see in my hair right now. So I just wanted to give you all that big warning, and hope you all enjoy the rest of this video. So far, my hair feels so good. It feels so hydrated right now, and it feels so soft at the same time as well. Like every strand feels so soft. My new pre-poo routine for the spring and summertime. So yeah, I really think I'm gonna stick with this for the summertime as well, but definitely during the springtime this will be a part of my new pre-poo routine because my hair feels so good. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out with lukewarm water, and then I'm gonna come right back. I'm loving this pre-poo here, and don't know why I haven't used it in a long time, but yeah, I still see aloe chunks, but that'll be taken care of. But yeah, so I don't know why I haven't used this pre-poo in a long time, but I'm glad I used it today because my hair really needed it. Don't veer off from something that has been working for you for a long time. So, but my hair feels so fluffy and nice, and yeah, so it is ready for the remainder of my hair wash day. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below your favorite pre-poo product for your routine as you're washing your hair during this springtime. And if you'd like to be a part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be alerted when I post my next upload. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.